Today's video is about penguins. There are 18 types of penguins in the world, and emperor penguins is one of them. The emperor penguin has the largest body mass of all penguins, which further reduces relative surface area and heat loss. The male and female are similar in plumage and size, reaching 100 centimeters in length and weigh from 22 to 45 kilograms. They can live 15 to 20 years in the wild. The diet of feces penguins varies by location and may include fish, krill, or squid. The most important food sources is fish.